Good morning, Miss Dita and friends. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Yudiriko Napitopulu, and my NPM 190710075. I will talk about the Gateway project. This topic is the 10th topic out of 25 given topic. There are several parts that I will cover, such as introduction, content, and closing. Currently, we are at the opening or introduction. Before we enter the content of the topic, I will say thank you to my friend Ida Bagus Putu Pandu, who have helped me in the process of making this video. Then I want to apologize if my speech and language placement are still wrong. In content, several questions have been prepared, and it is my job to answer them. Okay, first question. What is a Gateway project? The Greenwich Automated Transport Environment, or commonly abbreviated as Gateway project, is a technology-based project that aims to demonstrate the safe and efficient integration of advanced automated transportation system into complex real-world smart city environment. The project is led by TRL and is based in the Royal Borough of Greenwich in London, and is also being funded by Innovate UK and Industry for 8 million pounds sterling. Gateway mission is to understand how automated vehicle can meet our future urban mobility needs and the barriers we must overcome before this vehicle become a reality on our roads. Just conducting a series of different trials to understand how people respond to, engage with, and accept automated vehicle, and explore the potential impact of this technology on our cities. How Gateway drivers pods works is that they use a combination of sensor, camera, laser, and software to safely navigate their way between recreational and residential location around the Greenwich Peninsula. And the 6 main points to project aims to achieve are demonstrating, understanding, inspire, generate, create, and position. People involved in the Gateway project consisting of a consortium of leading companies and academic institutions. The project is being led by TRL, the UK Transport Research Laboratory, which has more than 50 years of experience in vehicle automation. Other partners in the consortium include Royal Borough of Greenwich, Royal College of Art, University of Greenwich, RSA, O2, Gobotics, Commonplace, Westfield, Hearthrow, DG Cities, Oxbotica, Fusion Processing, Shell, and Imperial College London, and many more company to involved in the Gateway project. And this the answer to question number 1. What is the Gateway project? Okay, next question. How does the vehicle differ from the conventional public transport? The pod is equipped with sensor, camera, and laser and powered by fusion processing technology. It has no steering wheel or the usual driver control. Instead, Fusion's software, Cavstar, combine GPS with radar for long range and LiDAR for close range to allow the pod to detect and safely negotiate objects in its path. It is also allows the pod to operate in inclement weather condition or even in the dark. I think this is what distinguishes pods from public transport. Okay, next question. How does Gateway project run its business? This project looks at a fleet of driverless pods providing shuttle service around the Greenwich Peninsula to understand public acceptance of attitudes towards and driverless vehicles. Community members are invited to take part in research trials by boarding and engaging with pods and sharing their opinions and experience before the pods will be commercially published and used as a means of driverless transportation. Then the driverless pod navigation a 3.4 kilometer route around the Greenwich Peninsula using state-of-the-art sensor and advanced autonomous software to detect and avoid obstacles as they pick up and drop passengers at designated pod stops. It was implemented in London, United Kingdom and beyond to demonstrate its effectiveness and increase the global competitive of UK business, generate tangible business result for consortium partners and attract international OEMs and related industries to the UK. Okay, next question. How do the people Greenwich react to the existence of Gateway project? Okay, we'll answer. There are many questions that people think about. For example, like, are people afraid of self-driving pods? Do they think they are weird? And will they ever stop absentmindedly wandering in front of us, causing our pods to judder to a halt like a student driver who can work the clutch? The answer to the last question is very much no. Okay, so far this seems to be one of the most obvious results of the Greenwich Gateway trials. People are remarkably chill about self-driving vehicles in pods forms. More than 5,000 members of the public have signed up to use the service as its various people up and down a 3.4 kilometer stretch of the river. In a recent survey of around 1,000 individuals, 43% said they felt positive about the concept, while only 11% didn't like it. The rest, 46%, were indicated worried about either hacking or road safety. Okay, next we are going to conclusion and closing. My conclusion is that the driverless pod vehicle is a very interesting new breakthrough in the world of transportation. More sophisticated forms and ways of working compared to public transportation are the advantage of the project, but there are still many people who do not believe in this technology because it can be life threatening. Okay, I think that's all from my presentation. Thank you for all the attention. Good morning.